Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
At the very outset, I would like to...
Chief Electoral Officer Uba FR Kharkongor Ulapente bag Jingthep wood Kibreu Hagani Gajala ka Pdiang Habayenu Jor Batwe Pat Gijala Hagari India Namar ka Poi Bet Chaka Prapo Kli ka percentage Ulong bagadaw bag Jingthep wood Kibreu Kam Kio Hagani Gajala Kade nakadaw bag Seng Saiñpyrthei Kimpatre ban Pentrekam Yaka remote voting machine Lani ka RVM Ulong ba jin lalda Pentrekam Yaka RVM ka Jingthep wood Kibreu kan Kio bah Namar ba kitu ki bomla ban lej Shaki jagat thep wood jong kiru Kio yaka lat ban thep yaka vote
At the very outset, I would like to share with you that as on 5 p.m., the voter turnout that we have received reports from the field is approximately about 75%. But this figure is likely to rise because we are still to get reports from many districts and many polling stations across the state. Polling is still going on as we speak in these Jingthep Hills, in Ribhoi, in Southwest Garo Hills, in West Garo Hills. So polling is still going on. But as of now, the polling is touched. In terms of the voters turnout, it's touched about 75% or so, and it's likely to rise. So by tomorrow, we'll be getting a much clearer picture. Regarding the polling was peaceful and largely, by and large, it was smooth with very less hiccups. In terms of machines malfunctioning, we had a few machines malfunctioning, but not to a very substantial degree. In terms of the replacement rate, ballot unit replacement rate was 0.82%. Control unit replacement was 0.79%. And VVPAT the replacement was 2.69%. There was also failure to remove VVPAT slips during the mock poll. Not VVPAT slips, but to erase mock poll data rather during the mock poll from 3 polling stations, 2 in East Garo Hills and 1 in East Jingthep Hills. And apart from that, we had almost 1,830 polling stations under webcast. It's close to 60% of the polling stations were under webcast. And we do expect the figures to rise up because, as per our initial assessment also, we had assessed that close to 200 polling parties would be returning after 9 p.m. So then we would get clearer data. And about 400 plus polling stations would be voting beyond 9 p.m.